Constants. Constants form an important part of physical science. A constant is a quantity with a constant value in a certain context, in a certain situation, and we sometimes give it the symbol K. If it's a very generic constant, meaning it applies to many contexts, then we might give it a special symbol and a special name, as you will see just now. If y is directly proportional to x, then x over y always gives a constant value. If y is inversely proportional to x, then the product of x and y always gives a constant value. Gradient means the steepness of a slope, for example, the steepness of a graph's slope. If we have a graph and we want to know the gradient of it, we find the rise divided by the run, which is change in y. In science, we use the symbol delta to mean change in y over change in x. In other words, y final minus y initial divided by x final minus x initial. There are some constants which apply in so many contexts that affect our lives that we give those particular constants special symbol and a special name. And here are some examples. Earth's acceleration due to gravity is a constant. Its symbol is small g, and it's approximately 10 meters per second squared. Avogadro's number, Na, is 6,02 times 10 to the power 23 particles per mole. Molar gas volume at standard temperature and pressure is always 22,4 decimeters cubed per mole. Planck's constant has a special symbol h, and it's that value there. Light always travels at the same speed in a vacuum, so its constant speed, 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, is given a special symbol, small c, like in E equals mc squared. The universal gravitational constant is given a capital G, and here's its value. Universal gas law constant, capital R, and there is its value. Although you probably don't know many of these constants yet, you will meet them as you continue with your studies of physical science.